Yeah. You hear that? That's blood. That's where I come from. I was raised where the cold wind bites, where hearts don't break, they learn to fight. Every scar got a story to tell. I walk through fire, I walk through hell. She looked at me, said, don't you run. You carry strength in what you've become. I was born of a Serbian mother. No holler than still no other. She gave me fire, she gave me rage. Now I break out of every cage. Through the pain, through the pressure, I don't fall, I just get better. I was born of a Serbian mother. No silver spoon, no easy road, just heavy dreams and a heavy load. But in my chest there's a burning core. Every time I fall, I come back more. Her voice